Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am the Detail Hot Lap. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and why don't you leave a like while you're at it. So let's get into it. We haven't been cleaning our K&amp air filter. By the title of the thumbnail, you may have got a little bit of clickbait. We will be installing a new air filter, K&amp air filter, on the vehicle. So I previously have the K&amp air filter cold air intake already installed. I have that, or I've had that installed since like 2018, probably not a day after I got the vehicle. So I've been cleaning the air filter every once in a while, but I've noticed that it got really dirty and dented and whatever. So I just went ahead and bought a brand new one, so that way I don't really have to worry about cleaning this one, and I know that it's brand new. I will show you, or link down in the description is a link to get the air filter replacement for this actual unit. I do have the 5.7 liter V8. So the code, or the model number for the replacement air filter is the RU-1041. So if you get that one, you know it's gonna work as long as you previously bought a K&amp air filter. So that being said, let's go ahead and install this on the vehicle, and we'll see you there. Okay, so in the V8 engine, it's pretty simple to install. This is the old dirty one. We might try to clean this to see what it looks like, but we're just gonna go ahead and swap it out. The part number is the RU-1041, just for reference. And let's get this installed. So you need a flathead, and then I think it's an 8mm, 7 or 8mm socket set if you want to use a socket set instead. But just go ahead and loosen the clamp, and that way it's kind of loose here. The trick for these guys is to lift it past this little area where the old factory one went in, and then here is the old one. Pretty greasy, honestly. I would use gloves. Highly recommend using gloves because it's already dirty and it's oily. Okay, as you can tell, the color difference and how clean it is. I will get a dry sack for this one just due to obvious reasons. I do go off-road a lot, so that might be why this thing is absolutely dirty. So pretty easy install. Same way you uninstalled. I do notice that this is a little different compared to that, but that shouldn't affect the way that this installs. At least I don't think so. Yep, still the same. I guess this was actually facing the other way, so it's just kind of personal preference. I actually don't mind because it's very universal. So then just tighten this down and we'll get into it.